Ndewo Kekime. So this is the 2-day Learn Igbo workshop that we do in 19th and 20th of May. So who is this workshop for? It is for you if you felt lost growing up. So you're in the right place if you felt lost growing up. Maybe you grew up in Britain or in America and you don't really feel American enough to be fully American or Nigerian enough to be fully Nigerian. Likewise, British enough to be fully British or Nigerian enough to be fully Nigerian. This workshop is for you. It's for you if you want to learn so you can pass it on to your children so they can feel like they belong. Okay? It's for you if you feel lost when your spouse and in-laws are all speaking in Igbo and you just feel excluded, then this workshop is for you. And if this has been your life goal, it's been your life goal for some time and you really just want to nail it and start speaking Igbo so you can connect with your culture, this is for you. So this 2-day workshop, today and tomorrow. Keep an open mind, take notes, and you can actually start using what you learn straight away. Okay? So what you're going to learn is a 5-step path to becoming conversationally fluent in as little as 6 months. Okay? You're also going to learn how to make introductions, ask about family, school, or work, so you can become part of the conversation. And tomorrow, which is day 2, you're going to learn how to conjugate verbs, so you can make simple sentences by yourself, and how to pronounce Igbo words, so you can sound more like a native.